So once your steamer is preheated, make sure your water is boiling. Carefully we put in the fish, put in the middle, close it, let it steam for approximately about 8 minutes. This is 2 pieces of cutlet.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear the raining outside my kitchen today, cooling day. So I'm going to make something that will be more hearty and warm our stomach. I am going to steam fish. I have 2 pieces of very nice barramundi fish slices here. You can use any type of fish you have. And I'm going to steam it using chicken accent. Yeah, you can use any kind of chicken accent that you can find. So very simple ingredient, fish, chicken essence, and some ginger. So first of all, after you wash your fish, you're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of it. After which, you're going to put some ginger slices on top. Appa is a ginger person, so you don't have to put as much, yeah? Because later I'm going to eat the ginger as well. Next thing, open up 1 bottle of chicken essence, and we shall pour the chicken essence all over. You can put some goji berries, that will make it even nicer. And we shall go and send it to the steamer. Just found my goji berry. Alright. So once your steamer is preheated, make sure your water is boiling. Carefully we put in the fish, put in the middle, close it, let it steam for approximately about 8 minutes. This is 2 pieces of cutlet. Alright, this is slightly over 8 minutes. You can open the steamer. Ooh. Oh, look at how whitish it is. Right, so here's my very simple dish today, steamed fish with chicken essence. Everything done and prepped within 10 minutes. That's how simple it is. Just make sure your fish is very fresh. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.